Hi everyone. So today we are going to see about Agentforce Conversation Client. So the main purpose of Agentforce Conversation Client is to make my conversation from LWC to Agentforce panel. So this will be supported in Agentforce Employee Agent. So as per the Salesforce article, whatever I referred, so it is mentioned it will be supported in the Agentforce Employee Agents. So I have created an employee agent, and I have added in the Lightning experience. So how we are able to open an agent and close an agent and make a conversation with the agent. So those are the three functions which are possible in the Agentforce Conversation Client API. So I can walk you through the demo. So prior to that, how we can set up this. So how we are able to bring this icon here, because by default this Agentforce icon won't be available. Even if you create an employee agent and activate also, it won't be appear here. So we need to create a permission set, and we need to provide access for the agent, and we need to assign that permission to the current user who are using. So for example, I have created a custom permission set after creating of the agent, so that employee agent. So this employee agent does some smaller function like based on the owner, it will display the accounts. I have provided certain instructions to display in a Lightning experience way. So I've created and I've activated this agent. So once after activating the agent, if you go to agent access under the permission set, so you can see the employee tracking agent which I created and activated, that I have provided access. So after that, I have assigned this permission set to my user. So after that only I'm able to see this employee agent icon here. So normally I'm able to open or close an agent. So how we are able to do this open agent from an LWC. So if I click on open agent in the LWC component, so it's opening the agent. If I click on close agent, it is closing my agent and display. So here you can see the conversation which I entered in the panel, it's getting different. It's getting shown in the Agentforce conversation panel. So if I go for view more, so I'm able to see all the accounts that are available in this account list. So once after the view more, we are able to see all the accounts that are present in the account panel. So this is how the conversation window opens. So let me go back to the same window. So again, I want to close the agent and click on close agent. So how it is achieved. So let me walk through the LWC component. So this is the LWC component. It's normal button component. So this is a normal LWC. There's no such any function specific to agent function. Coming to the JS function. So here is the Lightning / ACC API is present. So where we are able to import, open, close, and execute functions. So in order to run a specific Agentforce agent, so we need to define the bot ID. So the execute requires two parameters. One is the message and another one is the bot ID. So because for which agent we are going to make a conversation, it needs to understand the bot ID. So where we are able to find this bot ID. So we can query the bot ID for the agent, or from the Agentforce canvas panel. If you see, the agent ID is present, so you can get from there as well. So once after getting the bot ID, you need to place it here, and the rest all seems to be similar. So I can show you the Salesforce article. So similar like in the Salesforce article, I have created the LWC component. So you can see import, open, close, and execute actions from a Lightning ACC API. So basically open does is like it will open the agent which we are making conversation, and close is like closing the agent, and execute returns. So based on the string information which we are providing, so that needs to be passed as one of the parameter to the execute function, addition to the bot ID. So there are a few considerations also present, so which we can go through. So this is a simple example of Agentforce Conversation Client. So we are able to achieve a conversation from a custom LWC to the Agentforce panel. So that's one thing which is possible. So open agent, close agent, and a conversation. So that's it for today's demo. Thank you.